How's it going, everyone? My name is Jermaine. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to sync audio in Premiere Pro. So right now I have the bad audio recorded on my camera, 120 frames per second on your Blackmagic Cinema camera, Pocket 4K, and I have the better audio recorded on my Zoom H5. And everyone, my name is Jermaine Grant. It's going to be a very quick video, but today I'm going to show you how to set. Now, to sync these up, all I need to do is to highlight both the audio clips in the timeline by clicking and dragging over both clips. Then right click on the audio clip or video clip, select synchronize. Once this box pops up, make sure audio is highlighted and select OK. And Premiere Pro will automatically sync up the audio. What I want to do is I want to delete the bad audio. So I'm going to hold down Alt or Option if you're on a Mac and click my bad audio, and I'm going to press delete to get rid of it. Then I'm going to highlight both of these clips. I'm going to right click and I'm going to select link. So what that does is if I click on my clip, it highlights them both. It attaches the video and audio clip together. And what I normally do is I normally change the color of the clip as well so that they are both the same color. So I'll go to label and let's change it to lavender. And now we have good synchronized audio. A very quick video, but today I'm going to show you how to set 120 frames per second. Let's take this a next step further. I'm going to go into my keyboard shortcuts by going to edit, keyboard shortcuts, and I'm going to type in the search bar synchronize. And as you can see, I've set a keyboard shortcut for synchronize. In this case, mine is the number 8. So anytime I want to synchronize a clip or clips, all I have to do is press one button. Instead of right clicking the clip or clips and scrolling down to synchronize, it saves me a lot of time. And I've assigned another keyboard shortcut for link clips as well. That's the end of the tutorial. My name is Jermaine Grant and I'll see you again very soon.
I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off. See the fit lab